Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Duolingo and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct account. Once done, check the language you want to change and note your current level. Next, go to your profile, open settings, and select the language option. This is where changes begin. You're not finishing yet, but these steps unlock the controls you need. Make sure you have a stable connection and any progress you want saved before proceeding to the next screen. Now you'll change the level. If you want a higher level, use the test out option to skip checkpoints. It checks your skills quickly and places you appropriately. If you prefer manual control, reset specific skills or practice them until the progress meter reflects the level you need. Make sure to watch XP and crown requirements because Duolingo ties level unlocking to crowns and checkpoints. Once you finish testing or practicing, complete the process by saving any confirmations and reviewing your new placement in the course tree. Make sure exercises match the level you expected. If the app doesn't reflect changes, log out and back in, clear cache, or reinstall the app to force an update. If problems persist, take screenshots of the issue and contact Duolingo support through the help section. They can reset placements or fix bugs. One key tip: always keep a backup of important progress before resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.